Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add another TV to my Roku account. Let's go. Reset the settings of the TV that you want to add your Roku account. Open Settings, System, Advanced System Settings. Factory reset, enter code. This way you log out of your old account. After resetting the settings, log into your Roku account on this TV. After that, it will be linked to your account. That's it. Now you know how to add another TV to my Roku account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.